Well, here's something I got in the mail, and it's titanium exhaust wrap. So let's see how it looks. Okay, we're going to open this box up here. Oh, somehow I thought it was going to be in separate rolls, but it's one huge roll. That looks really neat. I've never used this before. I've never played with exhaust wrap before, and I've never even touched it. I've seen it on a lot of engines, but I've never even touched this stuff before. This is my first time. So let's see, we're going to just open it up. I'm not going to put it on the bike today, but we're going to look at this, see what it looks like. This modern age with all the wrapping, everything wrapped and wrapped and wrapped and wrapped. There's millions of coats of everything. Hey, this is some pretty nice looking stuff. Look at that. It's some pretty nice looking stuff. It feels good too. It has a good feel to it. So what they did, they put a little nail at the end to hold it. There's your nail. Titanium colored nail. And they put all this stuff on here, and they give you wraps. Now there's 10 wraps, and I think I need 8 of them is what I really need. 8 of 10, so that's really good. I've never used these wraps before. I've never even touched this stuff. My first time. So look, you can see the material here. This is exhaust wrap. This is supposed to be made of volcanic lava that's been reheated and then extruded through to make these little tiny hairs. And this is actually came out of a volcano. So we're going to use this, a volcanic wrap. That's pretty interesting. It came from a volcano. I don't know if it's colored this way out of the volcano or not. It would be interesting to find out. It's really nice. I can't wait till I put it on the bike. It's thicker than I thought. So here you go. Look down in the description, and you'll see all kinds of real neat stuff in the description down there, and links to real good pages. So there's the Volcanic Exhaust Wrap.